Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Candice Maetla. I'm from Kagisho Maetla Training Academy, and we are based in Pretoria. We offer courses online as well as face-to-face. We've started training this training academy in 2023. All our courses are accredited. We started our business because we know that South Africa, we need to contribute to skills development by offering fully accredited courses. So yeah, that was our reason to start our business. We are an accredited training provider, so we offer online training programs and we offer also face-to-face training. We offer full qualifications like your early childhood development practitioner course, occupational health and safety practitioner, and also short skills programs like your basic firefighting and basic first aid. And those are for compliance purposes. We want to encourage small businesses to be compliant and make sure that they have those compliance certificates like your first aid and firefighting. Choose us because we are accredited training provider. We are not a fly-by-night, because if you train with an institution that is not accredited, your training is invalid. So choose us so that you get the right training that is accredited. Like I mentioned previously, we have our online courses. You can go to our website, www.kmtrainingacademy.co.za, and our WhatsApp number is 076-236-8516, and we are also on social media platform. On Facebook, we are Kagisho Maetla Training Academy. On TikTok, we are KM Training Academy. So you can get in touch with us for further inquiries, and we'll give you full information regarding our training. And because we also do group trainings, so we can come to where you are if you're a group of people that require our services. Hey, my name is Candice Maetla, and I am proudly a township entrepreneur.